Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at BenchMark. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. BenchMark is an award-winning, beginner-friendly, no-dealing desk broker that offers low-cost trading on over 30,000 instruments. This broker is registered with the Investor Compensation Fund, and all client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted international banks, giving you an extra layer of investment protection. BenchMark is part of BenchMark Group, which is a well-established investment intermediary that was established in 2003 and is regulated by the Financial Supervision Commission and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. As a BenchMark client, you will have access to a great selection of free educational resources, advanced trading tools, in-depth analytics, and 24-hour customer support. BenchMark offers thousands of instruments, including more than 180 forex pairs, over 19,000 stocks, and a variety of cryptocurrencies and indices. You can also trade gas, oil, gold, and silver with this broker. The average spreads on forex pairs start from around 0.6 pips, and currencies can be traded commission-free. If you are interested in stock trading, you can buy over 19,000 shares from more than 36 of the world's biggest exchanges, including the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, Euronext, and several others. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with BenchMark, hover your cursor over the Trading Conditions tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. When trading with BenchMark, your trades can generally be leveraged by up to 1 to 400 if you are a professional trader, or 1 to 30 if you are trading on a retail account. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. BenchMark provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Education or Analysis tabs. If you require any assistance, you can reach the BenchMark customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. There is one standard account that you can open with BenchMark, and this broker also offers demo accounts. The standard account gives you access to all the available instruments, an economic calendar, an intuitive financial radar tool, market sentiments, and much more. This account allows the use of expert advisors and is suitable for hedging and all styles of trading. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try out new tools and platform features. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions BenchMark offers, click on Live Account under the Account menu at the bottom of the homepage. As a BenchMark client, you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can use to monitor and analyze the markets in real time. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages, and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also has more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. At the time of this review, BenchMark clients cannot trade cryptocurrencies using MetaTrader 4. However, all instruments are available on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and 5, hover your cursor over the Platforms tab for a full list of features and direct download links. Creating an account with BenchMark may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the BenchMark homepage, and then click on the Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. And after your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when signing up with a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. But after that's done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account is set up and approved, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then log in with your credentials. In our case, we decided to use the MetaTrader 5 web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 web trader terminal with BenchMark. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. BenchMark provides updated news, and we recommend bookmarking the Market Sentiments page and checking it often to see what's driving the markets. You will also have access to an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities and GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, as well as updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. A heat map is also provided, and you can use this tool to monitor price changes, spreads, and the highest to lowest prices of each financial instrument. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace. while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you are not using any real money. Overall, BenchMark offers thousands of tradable instruments, and trading with this broker will surely give you a highly diversified portfolio. BenchMark offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with BenchMark today and check out their range of instruments. But remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We always highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of BenchMark. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.